Okay, this is a tutorial on how to update your BC Mountain Trail website. So you're going to go to the Bluehost official website here. Go click on Bluehost. Once you get into Bluehost, you will sign in, log in with your user ID. So just logging in. Sometimes it takes a bit here. Once you get logged in, you're going to have a menu on the side here. Home, My Sites, Marketplace. You could rebuild your site if you wanted to with Word. I have never used that, so I always use Weebly. So just click on Marketplace. And then you're going to go down here to add-ons, and you're going to click on add-ons. And then once you get onto the add-on page, you're just going to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to the Weebly site. So here's Weebly, and it's a free editing. So you click on Weebly, and then you just take the basic free site, and you'll just drop the menu down, and it'll show you which site you want to edit. So I'm just clicking on one of my sites to give you an example. And then you hit Use Weebly. And then it'll come up, and it'll show BC Mountain Trail here, and you'll go over to the corner here and you'll edit the site. So just hit edit, and your site will come up. Once you get into the editing site, there's different menus above here. You can change your theme if you want. You can change the colors, the fonts, whatever. Pages, these are the pages that you have. So I'm using my site as an example. So if you wanted to change, say, events, for example, you would click on events, and then that page would come up, and then you could just go like this and then go build. So you click on the build, and you could drag any of these boxes over here. It's quite simple. So say you wanted to put a new text box in. So what you would do is you would drag this text box down here. Say I want to put another one right there. And I drag it in there, and then I would edit it. And then put whatever you want there for editing. And then say you wanted to do another one, you would just go down like this, and you would drag another text box in and drop it right like that. Bingo. And then you could edit. You can edit the size and everything of the text. And if you want to drop a picture in, you just drag an image over there. It's really, really, really simple. And once you're finished doing your editing, you just hit your publishing button. And that's it. It's really simple. You can go down here, and if, say you wanted to add a PDF file for end of year or something like that. So you would just grab the file button here, and you would drag it over here like that and drop it. And then you would upload, say, a PDF file so that people could download, events and end of year or any other PDF file that you want to drop there. Anyways, so that's it. And then you hit the publishing button, and you're all up to date. And then you can just go out of your website after that.